Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of May. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situations. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So now let's start your extended reading. I have already uploaded your main reading and you can have a look on that. Okay, you can have a look on that too, but let's see what are the energies for the month of May for you. So there is someone who is a player kind of energy. There is some energy around you, Aquarius, who is sneaky, manipulated. Okay, this is Seven of Swords energy, and you have to use your intuitions here, Aquarius. This person is someone who plays mind games with you, who manipulates you every time, and they ghost you away here. This is someone who is an in and out energy, the player kind of energy, Knight of Wands. Because they coming in your life because you igniting the passion in them here. Ace of Wands, you ignite the passion in them, that's why they're coming back in your life. But you have to use your intuitions. Okay, the High Priestess is here. This person is not at all good for you. This person is someone who is very toxic. The devil is here attached to this person. Maybe they come towards you and say that I'm going to make the family with you. I want to create 10 of pentacles, abundance of everything with you, Aquarius. But you have the clarity, you have the clarity that what this person does every time with you. Okay, and they're keeping an eye on you here with the Page of Swords. They're keeping an eye on you through social media apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. And why they're doing that? Because they're not happy at all without you here. They're very sad, remorse, guilt. Five of Cups is here. So they're not at all happy without you. They see you as someone who is very attractive, very creative, very, mysterious with the Queen of Wands. And they are doing the manifestation, or you are doing the manifestation. They want to come towards the calmer waters here with you, and you are releasing the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders here with the Ten of Wands. And here I'm having the death and rebirth. The transformation is taking place. They see you as someone who is very, financially stable, grounded, independent, who know how to manage finances. The Queen of Pentacles. So that was the energy which I was getting for you. And now let's start the extended reading. Let's start the clarification. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out in the clarification for this reading. Okay, please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. See, again, bottom of the deck I'm having Six of Swords here. So this person wants to come towards the calmer waters. They want to move in a forward direction with you. So let's start. Why there is Queen of Pentacles? They want to take a leap of faith with you. They're taking the leap of faith with you. The Fool. Bottom of the deck I'm having King of Pentacles. Can you see? So yes, this is maybe your perfect match. This can be your divine counterpart. That can be a possibility. But something is attached to this person. See, Ten of Pentacles is here again. So let's start. Let's see what are the clarification of these cards. Clarify me, Queen of Pentacles. Why there is Queen of Pentacles here? You are holding back your energy, yourself from this person. Four of Pentacles. You are not opening up. You are not giving any attention or any love or anything to this person. You are holding back from this person. That's why this is Tower movement. Bottom of the deck I'm having Tower. Sudden unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. Please clarify me, Knight of Wands. Why there is Knight of Wands here? Lot of five. Maybe you are seeing the number synchronicities of 555. That can be a possibility. But there was lot of conflicts with this person here. There is lot of conflicts which they are going through in their life. Okay, and they're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on those things. They see you as someone who is very single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood, and now they want to give you a commitment with the Ace of Pentacles. Can you clarify me more? A Knight of Wands, why there is Knight of Wands here? King of Swords. They know that they have to give you a commitment here. They know the truth. They know the truth that they have to give a commitment to you here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Wands. They left you out in the cold in the past. They know that you want a commitment from them. Okay. Clarify me, Ace of Wands. See, Page of Swords again. Page of Swords again. They're keeping an eye on you. They're doing the spying and all on you. They are watching you from a distance through social media app, and by watching you, they passion is igniting in them. Maybe you are looking very attractive. See, this is someone from your past, and I was just reshuffling my other deck, and here also I was having Six of Cup, bottom of the deck. This is someone from your past. This is someone who with whom you have spent many past lives together. Soulmate card energy, Six of Cups is also a soulmate energy. Okay, this is someone from your past here. They're keeping an eye on you. This can be your soulmate. That can be a possibility. But why there is Seven of Swords here? Why there is Seven of Swords here? Two of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Clarify me, Seven of Swords here. Why there is Seven of Swords? Clarify me, Seven of Swords. This is what is happening. Okay. So you are completing a cycle with this person. Ten of Wands, Ten of Swords again. Same cards, same energies are here. So you completing a cycle with this person here. You are closing out a cycle here. This person cannot sleep at nights. They're spending sleepless nights, or you cannot sleep at night with the Nine of Swords. Okay. And they were juggling a lot here. Can you see? Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacle, and Eight of Pentacle. So you put lot of efforts in this situation, in this relationship. Lot of time, efforts, love, energy, everything in this relationship. Okay, you put lot of things in this relationship, but this person was juggling between two persons. Maybe there was a third party situation or something like that, because here there was no balance in a situation. You were putting lot of efforts in this situation, and this person was not doing anything in this situation. You were giving lot of passion. Ace of Wands, a cup, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands both are here. So you were igniting the passion in them. You were giving all the love, your heart to this person, but they were juggling a lot here. Can you see the Two of Pentacle is here? So they were unable to make a balance in a situation. Why there is High Priestess here? Clarify, High Priestess. Why there is High Priestess? Six of Swords again. So you will come towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Just use your intuitions, okay? Use your intuitions. Justice has been served in your case. Karmic justice has been served in your case here. Clarify me, Devil. Why there is a Devil here? See, I told you. This is someone who put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Pentacles again. They every time they say that I'm going to give you abundance of everything, I'm going to give you commitment, I want to create happy family, happy life with you, but they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart every time. Three of Swords. That's why. This is what is toxic in this person. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart every time. Okay, Three of Swords is here. Why this person do like this? Okay, clarify. Ten of Pentacles. They have lot of options to choose. Seven of Cups. They have confusion because they have lot of options to choose. Maybe this person is someone who is not sticking on one option on you. They have lot of options to choose here with the Seven of Cups. Okay, why there is Ace of Swords here? Why there is Ace of Swords? Clarify Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Swords. You are doing your healing. You are doing your healing. You're doing your inner work. I can say that, resting and rejuvenating yourself from the past heartbreak and all. And you have the clarity that whether this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take or not, whether this person is going to create Ten of Cups, happy family, happy life or not. You have the clarity here with the Ace of Swords. So you have the clarity that this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take or not. Okay, see again the Seven of Swords, because this person someone who is manipulator, who is not who is unaware about their own emotions. The Moon energy is here, but they are manifesting you here. Can you see? They're manifesting the new happy beginnings with you. 1155 was the recording reading time. They have the confusion. They don't have any clarity about it. Okay, and you have the clarity here. You have the clarity that whether this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take or not. This is someone who is very manipulative, lies, cheating, manipulation. Every time they do it, does that. Why there is Ten of Wands here? Two of Swords and the Chariot here. So you have to make a decision here, Aquarius, but you know the difference between white and black. You already know. You will move in a forward direction, but you are unable to make a decision here right now. But don't worry, you will move in a forward direction for sure. Why there is Death here? Why there is Death here? Tower and the Five of Wands. Whatever fighting, drama, conflicts was there with this person, that is going to end here. Okay, this Five of Wands energy, competition energy, the fighting, drama energy, that is going to end. This is divine intervention. Can you see how this powerful it is? The Death and the Tower is here. This is divine intervention. When divine intervenes in your situation, again Justice is here, bottom of the deck. This is some kind of justice which is being served in your case. Things are, sudden changes are coming for you, Aquarius, and these changes are coming so that you can make the necessary changes in your life. But whatever conflicts, drama, fighting was there, that is going to end here. Okay, why there is Magician here? Clarify Magician. Page of Wands and the Hierophant. So they are manifesting new beginnings with you here. They are manifesting the commitment, the marriage here, because you are the wish fulfillment for them. Clarify me Magician more. Please clarify me Magician more. Why there is Magician here? Okay, so bottom of the deck, see again I'm having the Devil here. Okay, Queen of Swords is coming here. So they are manifesting the commitment here, Aquarius, with you. Okay, they're manifesting the marriage, the commitment with you. And this is your divine counterpart, I can say that, because here I'm having the King of Swords and Queen of Swords both. This is a power couple. 1441 was the recording reading time. But some kind of toxicity is attached to this person. Devil, Judgment, and the Emperor and Three of Wands. So you are waiting your ships to come, and this is coming. This person is coming towards you, and that's the judgment which is made by the divine. Clarify me, Six of Swords, Queen of Cups. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is a water energy here. Water is heavily here. But signs can be anyone, okay? Clarify me, Six of Swords. See again, High Priestess. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're coming. But use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. Use your intuition. There is Queen of Cup, Lovers, Wheel of Fortune, Three of Pentacles. So the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. You are doing your, can you see, you want emotional fulfillment in your life, you want love in your life. Maybe there is a third party situation again. There is Three of Pentacles here. Can you clarify me, Queen of Wands? Communication is coming towards you. The Star, the Page of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. Lot of communication is coming towards you. They see you as someone with new hopes, new desires. They are hoping for you, Aquarius. They want to communicate with you. Maybe they message you with a small message, starting with a small message, but lot of communication. After that, there is lot of communication with you. They will communicate with you. They are going to communicate with you here. Maybe they will text you on WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. But there is a lot of communication which is coming towards you. King of Pentacles, Page of Swords is being clarified by King of Pentacles. They're keeping an eye on you. And this is your divine counterpart. You're dealing with someone who is your soulmate. Which is, can you see here? King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle again. So whatever toxicity is attached to this person, they put you in a third party situation every time. They break your heart. They broke your heart every time. That's the... Okay. Why there is Five of Cups here? Why there is Five of Cups here? Clarify Five of Cups. Okay. Moon, because they have the confusion about their own emotions. They don't have any clarity. They don't have any clarity about their own emotions here. They having the regret that they don't have clarity about their own emotions, maybe in the past. Clarify me Five of Cups more. They are manifesting you, Aquarius. They are manifesting you. And they are feeling regret that they move in a forward direction. Eight of Cups. See, Seven of Swords is here again. This is someone who is very manipulated. Manipulator, I am getting the word manipulator, lying, cheating, manipulation. They always move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. That's why they're feeling very sad. And now they're manifesting you. They're manifesting marriage. 1111 card, Four of Wands card, marriage card is here. Now they're manifesting you. But they are having very much sad, remorse, guilt, regret that they move in a forward direction every time. Let me see what is the advice. Please give me the advice for the reading. What is the advice? Please give me advice. What is the advice from the universe, from the divine? Please give me the advice for this reading. What is the advice? Queen of Pentacle, Princess of Pentacle, Two of Wands. Okay. What is the advice? Judgment. See again, Six of Cups is here. Maybe you are getting the number synchronicities of 96, 69, 96. You are the wish fulfillment for them here. Okay, and they're manifesting you, Aquarius. They're manifesting you. Magician and the Tower, both are here. This is the divine intervention. This is something which is happening in your life suddenly. Okay, sudden unexpected changes are coming for you. See, can you see the Tower and the Queen of Swords here? And here also in your reading also. Here I'm having the Tower and the Queen of Swords. So this is the divine intervention which is happening in your life. You are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision for your life. You have to make a judgment for your life. Two of Wands. And because of this whole energy, you're feeling restricted, stuck. Maybe you are thinking and contemplating a lot, but you have the clarity here. You have Ace of Wands is here, so you know already, Aquarius. Please give me the advice. Hangman. What is the advice? They are feeling that you are not going to accept the cup for them. See? You're not going to accept the cup, Queen of Wands and the Four of Cups. You're not going to accept the cup. They know this truth. They already know this truth that you are going to reject them, and that's why they're feeling like an hangman right now. Hangman is here, but they're manifesting you. See, devil is here again and the hermit. Bottom of the deck again, I'm having the moon. So this is someone, 2112 is the recording reading time. This is someone who is not good at all for you, Aquarius. Rest is your life, your decision. But this is someone who is unclear is the message I'm getting. They don't have any clarity about their own emotions, and right now they are in a hermit mode. They're doing the soul searching. They're looking the answers from within themselves. Can you see? Many times I'm getting the devil, the moon, the moon, the devil, the moon. So this is someone who is not having any clarity about their own emotions. Once they get the clarity, then only they can give you a commitment. But wait for the time, okay? Wait for the time. That's the see, High Priestess. Wait for the time. Wait for the time and use your intuition till the time they get the clarity here. And till the time, use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. Lot of communication is coming towards you, I told you. Can you see? Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you from this person's side. Okay. Any other thing? See, Seven of Swords, Seven of Swords, Seven of Swords, lot of Seven of Swords. This is someone who is very manipulated. Okay, lying, cheating, manipulation. They always manipulate you. Seven of Swords. From every deck, I use my 3 decks, and from my 3 decks I'm getting the Seven of Swords energy here. They put you in a third party situation. 3 of Swords is here. So just be aware of this energy. Okay, 3 of Swords. Five of Swords, 10 of Wands again. 5 of Pentacles. They put you in a third party situation. They left you out in cold in the past. There were a lot of conflicts which was there with this person. You were carrying a lot of burdens on your shoulders. They, every time they come towards you and they say you that I'm going to give you 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups and 4 of Wands with this person, and you started the same cycle with this person. So be aware of this energy. Okay, be aware of this energy. That's the message I'm getting here. This is someone who is big time manipulator, I can say. Lying, cheating, manipulation. Rest is your choice. Whatever, because right now you are doing your healing here. Can you see? You're doing your healing. You're doing your healing from this past heartbreak. But this is someone who is not at all good for you. Communication is coming towards you. Use your intuitions. Okay, so that was the reading which I'm getting for you. I hope it helped you out in some manner, Aquarius. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, but some unexpected changes are coming for you, and this is the divine intervention. which is happening in your life. Okay, lot of communication is coming towards you from this person, but this person is not, still they are in a confusion state. Okay, they are not being clear about their own emotions. So be aware about this energy. This is someone from your past, and yes, this can be your soulmate, but the toxicity is attached to this person. Anyone who don't serve your highest good is not good for you. Okay, so that was the message which I'm getting for you. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing energy, and happiness to all my Aquarius. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.